Today I want to share 3 simple ways you can actually save money by renting a washer and dryer instead of using a laundromat. A lot of people don't realize how quickly laundromat costs add up. Between paying per load, driving back and forth, and spending hours waiting on machines, laundry can become one of those small expenses that quietly drains your budget every month. So let's talk about 3 ways renting a washer and dryer can help you keep more money in your pocket. The first way is eliminating the per load cost. When you go to a laundromat, you're paying every single time you wash and dry your clothes. A typical wash can cost anywhere from $3 to $5, and drying can cost another $2 to $4. That means one load of laundry can easily cost $6 to $10. Now think about how many loads you do in a week. If you wash 4 loads per week, that could be $20 to $40 weekly. Over a month, that can add up to $80 to $160 just to clean your clothes. When you rent a washer and dryer, you usually pay one flat monthly rate. That means whether you do 1 load or 10 loads, your cost stays the same. For many people, that ends up being much cheaper than constantly feeding quarters into machines at the laundromat. The second way renting can save money is by eliminating travel costs. Going to a laundromat isn't just about the price of the machines. You also have to drive there, which means spending money on gas and putting wear and tear on your vehicle. Even short trips add up over time. And let's be honest, when people go to laundromats, they often end up buying snacks, drinks, or other small items while they wait. Those little purchases might not seem like much at the moment, but they can easily add another $10 or $20 to your monthly laundry expenses. When you have a washer and dryer in your home, you remove those extra costs completely. No driving, no waiting in public spaces, and no extra spending while your clothes wash and dry. The third way renting a washer and dryer saves money is flexibility with smaller loads. When people rely on a laundromat, they usually wait until they have a big pile of laundry before making the trip. That often leads to overloading machines or running extra cycles because the clothes didn't get fully clean or dry the first time. When you have your own washer and dryer at home, you can wash smaller loads whenever you want. You can throw in a quick load of towels, work clothes, or kids' clothes without waiting until everything piles up. That flexibility often means using less detergent, shorter drying times, and fewer repeat washes. Over time, those small efficiencies help reduce overall laundry costs. So when you add it all up, renting a washer and dryer can actually be a smart financial decision. Instead of paying per load, driving back and forth to the laundromat, and dealing with the inconvenience of waiting for machines, you can have the convenience of doing laundry at home while often spending less money each month. Laundry is something we all have to do anyway. The question is whether you want to keep paying for every load or have a simple monthly solution that can save time, energy, and money. Those are 3 simple ways renting a washer and dryer can help you keep more money in your pocket while making life a little easier at the same time.